Over the last year, I've been able to travel to Las Vegas, Colorado, and now I'm in San Diego. I'm about to leave for Paris. And the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of you guys want to learn how to travel by yourself, make contacts, get clients, do the online entrepreneur thing, and this video will change that for you. I started an online SMMA, and I realized that it doesn't work. And I started 8 other businesses that all failed, until I realized that the way that a lot of these guys are making money is selling education and making content and having a personal brand. And if you've heard it a million times, I know, and you're probably not going to do it, I know. But what I decided to do was I started a little Facebook group that grew up into a bigger Facebook group because Facebook started pushing it to people. All these people needed help. They wanted to learn how to start a business. And so I called them one-on-one and told them, hey, if you work with me one-on-one, I will start a company with you. We can partner. And once it gets a little bit of traction, then you can pay me some of the sales. And I can make money that way. And that turned into one-on-one coaching. And that turned into me having this YouTube channel. And if you're watching this video and you don't know where to start, I would say the easiest thing you could possibly do, find businesses around your local area. See if they have like outdated websites. See if they don't have websites and start trying to fix them for them. Charge $1,500 and build a business that way. I have a bunch of students that are doing this right now, and they're going on to make $5,000, $10,000 in their business, depending on how old they are. And you don't need millions of dollars to be successful. Like, traveling the world is not that expensive if you can figure it out. Like, on a bad month, I'll make $5,000. And like, I know a lot of guys, they say that you need a Lamborghini and a Ferrari and all this stuff. But genuinely, I'm the happiest in my life right now, and I don't have any expenses. I don't pay rent. I don't have a huge car bill. I bought my car in cash, and I just travel when I want to. And to me, freedom is the ultimate version of wealth. It's not owning all these other things and flexing about watches. It's being able to go to San Diego on a random Wednesday. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah.